Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix HubSpot marketing tools with HubSpot easy tutorial step-by-step clip. To begin fixing HubSpot marketing tools, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your marketing tools. Identify the tool or feature that requires fixing. Check for any system notifications related to the tool. If there are alerts, read them carefully to understand the issue. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any potential conflicts. Refresh the page after clearing the cache. If the issue persists, check if there are any updates available for the HubSpot platform. Go to the Settings menu and select Product Updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Once updated, revisit the marketing tool to see if the problem is resolved. If the issue continues, review any recent changes made to settings or configurations. Revert any changes that may have affected the tool's functionality. For further troubleshooting, consult the HubSpot knowledge base for specific error messages or issues. Search for keywords related to your problem to find relevant articles or tutorials. If you don't find a solution, consider reaching out to HubSpot support. Prepare a detailed description of the issue to provide to the support team. Provide screenshots if possible to help illustrate the problem. After reaching out, follow any instructions that the support team provides. Once the issue is resolved, run tests on the marketing tools to ensure they are functioning correctly. Document any fixes for future reference. This will help streamline troubleshooting for similar issues down the line. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.